Hi guys, this is Dave and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you for your support on my first vlog which I uploaded last week. A big shout out to my family and friends as well as to Ronan, Jess, and Ralph. If you haven't watched it yet, please do so by clicking the card above. For today's video, we will review this Mini Air Purifier 3H made by Xiaomi. Obviously, this will not be an unboxing since I've already had this for 4 months and there's not really much to it. What you'll get are just the air purifier itself, the SEPA filter with RFID for authenticity, an electric plug, and the user manual. So, how does it work? It sucks air in through these holes in the front and both sides, cleans it using the HEPA filter, and blows out purified air from the fan grill. At the back, you will find the temperature and humidity sensor, the display brightness button, laser particle sensor, and the filter compartment cover. Now, let's turn this thing on. Filter remaining 39% for 4 months of use. This device features an OLED touchscreen display showing the air quality index or PM2.5 count, a light trim with 3 different colors, temperature, humidity, Wi-Fi connectivity via 2.4 GHz bandwidth, and the mode setting. Also, there's a touch button to switch between modes such as Auto, to automatically switch modes according to the indoor air quality, Sleep, for ultra-low noise comfortable for sleeping environment, Low, Medium, High, and Manual, where you may configure the coverage area and purifying efficiency in the mobile app. It has a Class 13 HEPA filter which traps particles as small as 0.3 micrograms per cubic meter. PM2.5 refers to the tiny droplets or particles that are less than 2.5 micrograms per cubic meter in size, which are normally found in smoke and polluted air. These can be stuck inside the lungs, which can cause breathing and respiratory problems. For the green light ring, PM2.5 count ranges from 0 to 75 micrograms per cubic meter, which means that air quality is safe. For the orange light ring, PM2.5 count ranges from 76 to 150 micrograms per cubic meter, which means it is unhealthy. Lastly, the red-green light is for PM2.5 count greater than 150 micrograms per cubic meter, which is totally hazardous. This unit can measure PM2.5 count of up to 600 micrograms per cubic meter and can cover a space from 25 to 44 square meters. Its power consumption is up to 29 watts, while noise level is less than or equal to 50 decibels. You may control this air purifier as a standalone device or by using its Mi Home app, which can be downloaded from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. After downloading, open Mi Home app, create your account, and select Philippines as the region. Under Profile, go to Settings, Manage Homes, then add New Home. After creating, set up a new room. In my case, it's living room. Under New Home, click the plus icon, select Air Treatment, then locate Mi Air Purifier 3H. Afterwards, we will need to reset the Wi-Fi connectivity of this device. To do this, we will need to simultaneously press and hold the button on the touchscreen and at the back of the air purifier for 5 seconds. Once you hear a beep, the Wi-Fi network has been reset successfully. Check Operation Confirmed, then choose Next. Connect to your Wi-Fi network and wait for the prompt to finish. Once done, select the room where you will place this. In my case, it's living room. Now it's added successfully. After accepting the privacy terms, you will see the same info that you currently have on the OLED touchscreen display. So here, you will see the PM 2.5 count, temperature, humidity. You may also turn it off from the app and turn it back on. For the modes, we have auto, night, level 1 for low, level 2 for medium, level 3 for high, and manual, where you may manually configure the coverage area from 2 square meters up to 48 square meters. You will also see the filter remaining, which is 39%. Estimated lifespan is 57 days. You may also create a scheduled power on or off, and you may also turn off the notification sound. Let's turn it on. For the light, you can completely turn it off, dim it, or set it back to the brightest one. For the parental controls, you may turn it on so that it won't be changed when pressing this. There's also a setting where you can turn on the device malfunction alert, where it will push notification to your phone whenever it malfunctions. So that's it guys for my review of this Mi Air Purifier PH. For those interested buying this product, please check the nearest Mi store in your location. You may also purchase this on their authorized Mi Store account in Viber. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more uploads. Thank you and stay safe. Bye!